Hey, thank you for checking out this free training. I am Aryan Khazin, a communication coach, author, and former HR professional with over 15 years of experience at top companies like Amazon, Accenture, and Echo. Over the years, I have seen so many talented professionals struggle to convey their true potential, missing out on opportunities they deserve. That is why I created a program to help professionals rise to the top 1% of communicators in their field. I host a free workshop every Sunday at 11 a.m. And in this 2 hour session, here's what you will learn: how to speak with fluency, clarity, and confidence, how to share your ideas effectively in any professional setting, how to lead and make an impact in meetings, how to negotiate your salary successfully, how to introduce yourself with confidence and ace interviews, how to create a winning resume, and much more. Most importantly, I will help you learn to speak freely without hesitation or overthinking. Hi, register now to secure your spot. Exclusive seats are available, so don't miss this chance to unlock your potential. I can't wait to see you at the workshop. Take care.